that we are basically just starting the journey for entrepreneurship cell. And this has started not very long back, only just 1 month back, that NEN Foundation, that they came forward and they had a discussion with us, and some of your colleagues and members, they are very much interested, and they came with a proposal that we'll be having that this foundation, that network here. And I was very anxious basically that how we can basically do this entrepreneurship cell in Durgapur. But this is a very fortunate that we have got that this entrepreneurship cell now. We have already got around 295 members last 2 days back. I think this is now 300 over. So this is congratulations for this initiative.
But I like it from my heart. So my friends, if you have willpower, you can do. So just today morning, my police called me that, sir, this is the beginning, so please come to inaugurate this entrepreneurship week. I was hesitant. That's what I should speak. Because I don't have any business, I don't have any business skill. But I accepted. I thought, okay, let me go to the internet. Because internet is the answer for everything today. And all of you know. Then I go to the internet. I spent maybe more than 1 hour to learn what is entrepreneurship formally. Formal definition of entrepreneur. I'll read out the definition which I have student learned. Okay? Because if I say from the memory, I might do mistake. So I'd like to read you the few lines I have written. I have time? 5 minutes more? Okay. So, engineering education has been facing several new challenges in the last decades. I hope all of you agree. Students are now expected to have better scientific grounding to be able to integrate economic and business aspects.
Compared to doing a job. Only thing you should have the aim to think big and implement, that's all. Because we always tell in the class, it's better to be your own boss than to work for somebody. In organization, what you get, if you work, you get 10,000, 50,000, 30. If somebody is lucky enough, you get 1.5 lakhs per month. But at the end of the day, what satisfaction you get? Nothing. You come, you have same set of life, structured. So whenever you are doing something very structured, it doesn't give you any kick. I was reading some of the success stories where it says starting an organization is better than roaming with a girlfriend. Better. If you start something, it's a very challenging. Because in any job, if you go and do a job, 95% routine work you will be doing every day, same kind of job. And after a month, after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you will be bored. But if you start your business, every day is unstructured. You don't know what to start. You start from the beginning.
Entrepreneurship cell of NIT Durgapur was a new one venture. It was founded just 2 years before in I think 2008. With some limited activities over there, and our main focus was to just organize some events during our own. So whenever I came into this college, I found that something is lacking. The spirit of entrepreneurship is going to be developed.
College, when we are in
This can be
the there was a dream to help the students start something of their own in campus. We got many requests from different students. Okay, other colleges are doing this. They are helping the students have their own startups. Why don't you give us a platform, or like you can start more and more?
Period of time. You have to think of expanding the infrastructure, keep a pace with the present way of business, present change of business. As a matter of fact, when we started our business, we were not blessed child like you are. You are blessed child. The world has shrinked for you. We have communication, the fastest communication now. We didn't have it during our days. But over the period of time, we have started, I have personally tried to keep pace. People started learning computers which we never saw. I don't remember seeing. In 1978, 79, we had no computers. No emails, nothing. Any communication, anything needed us to write a letter, type it out, sign it, put it in an envelope, then give it to not even a courier. That time couriers were not this much available. Put it at post or registered post and then wait for the reply. For any communication to any government departments, for any compliance, we have to rush the government departments, but now you are blessed with the online facilities. So, as a blessed child, I would suggest everyone, I don't say everybody is going to be very successful, because it needs also acumen, skill, thinking power, rethinking